Hello, and welcome back to MarkSharks Tips and Tricks. In this episode, we focus on helping each other in saving the environment. Pollution is the biggest killer in the world, and it is up to us as a species to inform others and help in saving our environment and making the world a cleaner and more livable place for our children and the many animals and forms of life that inhabit our beautiful planet. So, without further ado, here are some tips that you should follow when it comes to saving our planet. Number 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle. Cut down what you throw away and help us reduce our carbon footprint. Follow the 3 R's, which are reducing wastage, reusing items when you can, and recycling waste to help the planet. Number 2. Volunteer in your community. Take a positive step forward and volunteer in your community to clean up your neighborhood and protect your water sources from contamination. Number 3. Educate. The first step when it comes to helping the environment is to educate yourself and others in the dangers of pollution and the threats it poses to the planet. Number 4. Conserve water. Reduce water wastage where you can, as that will ensure less runoff and water waste that leads to the ocean. Number 5. Shop wisely. Choose alternatives to plastic when you shop, such as paper bags which can be recycled, or better yet, use reusable shopping bags that you can carry with you every time you shop. Number 6. Use long-lasting light bulbs. Use energy-efficient light bulbs to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and switch off all lights when not needed. Number 7. Plant a tree. Trees provide food and oxygen, and all plants play a vital role in keeping our atmosphere clean and breathable. They also help battle climate change, so plant a tree when you can. The more, the better. Number 8. Bike and walk more. When you can, bike and walk more and drive less. This also helps reduce our carbon footprint. And that's it. Follow these tips and help save the environment and increase our chances every day of making the planet clean and green again. As MarkSharks says, be a part of the solution, not part of the pollution. Thank you for watching this video and in helping us do our part in saving the environment for the future generations of all life on our planet. Be sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, and Instagram, and be a part of our journey in helping our students be the best versions of themselves. Stay tuned for more MarkSharks tips and tricks and further content over the weeks to come. That's all for now. See you soon. MarkSharks, learning by doing.